How to make Gemini your assistant. Very simple, easy, and quick to do. So just follow these steps. I will show you guys in this video. Head over to Play Store and make sure Google Gemini app is installed on your device. Once you install the Google Gemini app, open it. And once you open it, you will see this kind of interface on your screen. On the top right, you see your Google account icon. Click on that. On a single click, you can go and change your Google account like that. And here you will also find settings. So we can go and open up settings. And inside settings, you will find all the settings related to Gemini, your assistant. So here, the first one is Gemini's voice. This is the voice that Gemini will use in order to communicate with you. And further, we'll find all different options like languages, caption preferences, screen context, basically all those options you need in order to set up your Google Gemini voice assistant. And there's also Hey Google and voice match option. You can use this option in order to make your voice match model so that Google will only respond when it recognizes your voice. And that's how you can go and do it. There's also digital assistance option from Google, and if you click on that, you will see that Gemini is selected as your default assistant. That's how you can go and do this. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.